Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to solve linear equations. So before that, we'll go for a quick recap. What is linear equation? A linear equation is an equation that can be written in the form of sum of coefficient times variables added up to get a value. An example C, coefficient will be 4x minus 2y plus z is equal to 27. This is an example of a linear equation. But today we are going to see a single variable linear equation. What is called single variable linear equation? It has only one variable. So here it has three variables here. See. So today we are going to see only single variable. Okay. So it can be written as 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So it has only one variable here. Okay. So next is why we need to solve a linear equation. To find the value of an unknown variable that makes the equation true. So if you see what value of this x makes the equation true. So here, how we will to find it? Here 2 times x plus 3 is equal to 2. If what value we give to this x will make the equation true, just guess it. Let's see. So solving equation 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So just assume that what value we give this x to make this equation left hand side and equal to 0. So I will just tell you in the beginning. So x, just assume x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So we substitute this value here. See 2 times minus 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation will come. So let's see this left hand side is equal to 0 or not. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled because denominator and numerator cancel each other. So it will be 1. So minus 3 left here. So minus 3 plus 3 is 0. See. So now the solution of x is, the solution of this equation is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is how we solve linear equations. Okay, let's go for the step-by-step methods of solving linear equation. See, before that, there's a golden rule for the solving linear equation. See, what it is, whatever you do on one side, you must do to the other side also. So that means when we do any changes in the left hand side, you have to do on the right hand side also. So let's see with an example here. So we will go for first type of equation. So let's see x plus 5 equal to 9. So x plus 5 equal to 9. This is a simple linear equation. This is very easy to find the answer also. So what here we need to do is we need to find the value of x. Okay, find the value of x. So left hand side should be only x. So remove all the other things from the left hand side. So what we will do to remove this one? So left hand side we will do x plus 5. We just minus a 5 from the left. So the same thing we need to apply on the right also. Minus 5. So we subtract 5 from the left and also you do the same subtraction from the right also. So what here? This 5 minus 5 is 0. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So x here only left is x. So x is equal to, what's the right hand side value? 4. So this is the answer. So this is how we solve the linear equation. So next we will another example. See, 3x equal to 12. So this is very simple equation. See, 3x equal to 12. So we need to remove this 3 from the left hand side. Only x should be left in the left hand side. So how we will remove this 3? So we need to divide the 3 on the both sides. So divided by 3. Here we divide 3 and here also we divide by 3. So what will happen? So in the left hand side 3 divided by 3 1. So x is left here. So here what will happen? 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Yeah. So the value of x is 4. This is how we find the solution. See here what we do, we only subtract a 5 on both sides. Okay, here what you do, we only divide 3 on the both sides. See, coming forward, we need to do multiple operations to conclude with the solution. So here only we do only one operation. With a single operation we got the value. Next is, see the third example here. We write here 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. So how we will solve this one? So here with a single operation it is not enough to find the value. So we need to remove all the other things from the left hand side. Only x should be left behind. So first what we need to do, we need to subtract 5 on the both sides. So see, 2x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 11 minus, what I do, subtract 5 on the both side. So what will be here, this 5 and this 5 will be subtract, so the answer will be 0. So 2x is left here. 2x equal 11 minus 5, 6. So this is the solved one. So what we will do next, again see a 2 is here, so we need to remove the 2 from here and only x should be left, and only we will get the value of x. So here what we do, divided by 2 on both sides. See, divide 2 on both sides. Then what will happen? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So here x will be left here. So 6 divided by 2, what will happen? It's 3. So the final answer is x is equal to 3. This is the solution of the above mentioned equation. Okay, the fourth example here. See, minus, this is with a negative number, right? Minus 3x equals 12. What we do here? Here we have a minus negative value here. So thing complicated. The same thing will happen. We if there is positive, what we do? Divided by 3 on both sides. So instead of that, we divide negative 3 on both sides. What will happen if we divide a positive 3 here? So negative divided by positive, so the x will be negative. So the we need to remove all the signs, and you need to make the x positive. So what we do, we divide minus 3 on both sides, minus 3, here also minus 3. So what will happen here, this minus 3 cut minus 3, so a positive, so positive x is left here. Then 12 divided by minus 3, 12 divided by 3 we know 4, so minus, so minus 4, so a positive number divided with minus 3, then the positive divided by minus negative, the answer should be negative. So here cut here, so minus 4, the value of x is minus 4. This is how we solve negative values, so linear equations with a negative value. This is an example here, a linear equation with fraction content. So let's see an example. So x divided by 4 plus 2 equal to 5. See, let's how we will solve this. Just think about it. This solves what our main aim is, to make the left hand side only x. Whatever thing in the left hand side, we need to remove it. So here that's for the same way method we use minus 2 on both sides. So equals x divided by 4 plus 2 minus 2 here, right hand side also 5 minus 2. So then what happened, x divided by 4 minus 2 and minus 2, 0, so equal 5 minus 2 is 3. Now see, now here is denominator has 4, x by 4 equals 3. So we need to remove the 4 also from the left side. So what we do, how we will remove the denominator? Yes, multiply 4 on the both sides. So here what we do is just multiply this 4 in the left hand side, the same thing also multiply in the right hand side. So this 4 and 4 is gone. Okay, so what's left behind is x only. So what's here, so x equal 3 times 4, 3 times 4 is 12. See the answer, solution of x is answer. So when we replace this 12 here, let's see the answer is correct or not. Just we will test. Okay, so just replace x with 12. 12 divided by 4 plus 2 should be equal to 5. 12 divided by 4, what is 12 divided by 4? 3. Yes, see, 3 times. So 3 plus 2, yes, 5. See, this is how we find the value of the variable. So if you know the exact value of a variable, then the equation is right. The solution of a linear equation means what values of the variables makes the linear equation true. So here this is a linear equation. What value makes the linear equation true? Yes, x equal to 12. So the value 12 given to x makes the equation true. That's how we call solution of linear equation. Let's see some common mistakes happen when we try to solve a linear equation. So first one is forgetting to change signs when moving terms. So example is like when we divide 3 in both sides, so we need to put minus 3. It should not be 3. If you forget to put the minus sign on the both side, for example, if you forget to put the minus sign on both side, the answer is not the same. So when we change a remove the minus sign, do not forget to put the minus. The next thing is not applying the operation on both sides. Yes. See, when we divide, some people will forget to do that. Minus 3x divided by minus 3. But here, 12. Some people will forget to divide on the both sides with 3. So even we forget to do, what happened here x, then x will be 12, then again answer is wrong. So the two major mistakes normally people will do is forgetting to change signs when moving terms, not applying the operation on both sides. Okay, this one keep in mind. Let's see some practice problems so you can try it your own. Please try these 6 problems by your own.